Deep in the heart of India, where the jungle thrives, walks a majestic beast, the Bengal tiger. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting emerald shadows on the forest floor. He moves with a grace that defies his size, a ripple of muscle and stripe through the undergrowth. A flick of the tail, a silent step. The lord of the jungle is on the prowl. The air hangs heavy with humidity, alive with the hum of insects and the chatter of unseen birds. The scent of moist earth and wild orchids fills the air. The tiger pauses, its massive head held high, nostrils flared. It tastes the air, a symphony of scents painting a picture of the jungle's hidden life. Focus on the eyes, burning bright, two pools of molten gold rimmed with black. Whiskers twitch, sensing every change in the air, every rustle of leaves. The black stripes, like brushstrokes on a living canvas, camouflage him perfectly against the dappled light of the forest floor. His ears swivel, picking up the distant alarm call of a langur monkey high in the canopy. The tiger's gaze, intense and unwavering, locks onto something in the distance. His muscles tense, coiled springs ready to unleash. A low growl rumbles in his chest, a sound that vibrates through the very earth. The hunt is about to begin. Slowly, majestically, the tiger opens its mouth. A pink tongue curls back, revealing teeth as long as a man's finger. A deep inhalation drawing in the humid air. Then it begins. A sound that seems to rip through the very fabric of the jungle. A roar that starts as a low rumble and escalates into a deafening explosion of sound. The ground seems to tremble beneath the force of the roar. Birds take flight in a flurry of feathers. The langur monkey's warning call is cut short. Even the insects seem to fall silent, as if in awe of the sound. The echo of the roar reverberates through the trees, a primal declaration of power. As quickly as it began, the roar fades. A wisp of mist rising from the damp jungle floor seems to carry the last echoes away. The tiger, chest heaving slightly, closes its mouth. Its gaze, still intense, sweeps over the now silent jungle. The message has been sent. The golden rays of the setting sun, filtering through the dense canopy, paint the scene in a soft, ethereal light. The jungle, moments ago alive with sound, is now holding its breath. The tiger, bathed in the warm light, seems to glow with an almost mythical aura. This is the power of the Bengal tiger, the undisputed king of the Indian jungle.